Are you tired of the risks and headaches of not getting paid on time or in full for home remodel or construction projects? At Build Safe Escrow, we're on a mission to change that. As the nation's first escrow company dedicated exclusively to the building and construction industry, Build Safe Escrow specializes in providing construction escrow and draw services designed to bring transparency and simplicity to your projects. Our trusted three-step process is simple yet powerful. 1. Verify. We prepare an escrow agreement with terms agreed upon by all parties. Clear, transparent escrow agreements prevent misunderstandings and solve disputes before they become issues. 2. Secure. Your funds are safely held in escrow and released as each project milestone is completed. The funds can be fully deposited at the start or in stages, depending on your agreement. 3. Get paid. Receive timely and full payment for every completed milestone. If needed, we can even pay your vendors or subcontractors directly, reducing administrative burdens. What are you waiting for? Benefit from prompt, guaranteed payments without the burden of collecting outstanding debts. It's a win-win for everyone involved, saving time, money, and frustration. Whether you're a contractor, architect, designer, developer, builder, lender, or property owner, Build Safe Escrow makes it easy and affordable to protect your construction funds from start to finish. Our transparent pricing structure and over a decade of construction escrow expertise ensure a smooth and efficient process. By safeguarding funds and releasing them in stages, we help keep projects on track while fostering trust on all sides. Build Safe Escrow is here to give you the confidence and security you deserve. Whether you're breaking ground on a new construction project or managing a complex renovation, let us handle the payments and manage your construction funds so you can focus on what truly matters: building with peace of mind. Visit us today at buildsafeescrow.com and discover why milestone-based payments and escrow is the future of the construction industry.